Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. And after device turns off completely, what you have to do is you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up. Just wait until these two keys go off. So now we hold down power key plus volume up. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select an option recovery mode. Reboot to recovery, I mean. So when you see this no comment message, hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you'll end up in recovery mode. So here in this mode, you can navigate using volume keys and select using power key, and you have such options as reboot to reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, run graphics test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.